Okay, so it's been a little bit. I'm going to be going to Europe for about 2 months. Normally I do most of my trips with my family, but this one's going to be a little bit different. Oh boy. Reese doesn't have nearly enough money to go on this thing, plus he just graduated, he's going to be heading off to university. Instead, I have a good friend of mine, somebody I've done some traveling with in the past, is Jeremy. This is Jeremy.
This be me.
Well, how long have we known each other, first off? Yeah, it's been
15 years probably.
Really? No, we didn't know each other. 15 years? We didn't know each other when we were 5.
13 years.
Yeah,
years.
it's like, because we...
4 years?
3.5?
I don't know.
Several years, because we were in Boy Scouts together, and then we were in the shooting club where we went to several competitions together, where you kicked major ass. Yeah, and now we're going to be headed to Europe.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. About 7 to 8 weeks, so about 2 months. We've been preparing for this for the past couple of months now. Do you feel ready?
Preparing. No, I don't feel ready. We have train passes now, though. So
So we have those. We have our first night booked, at least, in Madrid. According to our budgets, we should have enough money, but we'll see. We'll see. Do you think you're going to be able to put up with me doing my video shit for the whole time?
I plan on drinking a lot.
Okay. This is the biggest project yet. I don't know if I'll do a daily thing or maybe just one long video for every country we're in or every city. We'll have to see how that goes. You're out of here in a couple days, and I'm going to be meeting you up at the airport in Toronto, and I'm going to be, I got 10 days? 10 days?
Oh, we got
11.
11 and a half.
11 and a half days until we depart. So that'll be something. Yeah.
Maybe it hasn't even hit me yet. Oh God, I'm gonna pack tomorrow night. My entire life into one backpack.